Hello, this is Bud Frable, Sales and Engineering, Midpoint Bearing. Today we will discuss bearing precision. To understand bearing precision, you first must know the definition of tolerance. Tolerance is the permissible range of variation in the dimension of an object. For example, if we look at the dimensions of a 6304 bearing, looking at the tolerance variation of the bore, we see the nominal dimension is 20 millimeters with a range variation of 0 or nominal to a minus 0.010 millimeters. All dimensions have a permissible range of variation. Precision is the exactness or correctness of the tolerance. The American Bearing Manufacturers Association, ABMA, uses ABEC or RBEC to define the precision of bearings. Again, looking at the bore of our 6304 bearing, we see as our precision increases, the permissible range decreases. Looking at the numbers, you will see an ABEC 1 or P0 is a nominal to a minus 0.010 millimeters. As you move to an ABEC 7 P4, you will see that the permissible range decreases to a nominal to a minus 0.005 millimeters. I wanted to point out how tight these bearing precisions can be. Talk about splitting hairs. Looking back at our 6304 bearing, after converting to inches, comparing the ABEC 5 to the ABEC 7, you'll notice that the dimensions are the same. Final note, precision is independent of bearing clearance. Feel free to reach out to me with any questions or comments at bud@midpointbearing.com, and to learn more about Midpoint Bearing, visit us at midpointbearing.com. Thank you for watching. Midpoint Bearing, your distributor partner, knowledge through experience.